Okay guys, this is going to be a better camera redo of the little mule. Hopefully you guys can hear me talking. I think you can. I don't think you guys have ever been riding a little mule. Not going to really be able to hold the camera and drive for this one. Hopefully you guys can see something there. We'll go up over the hill, same place I went with the bronco. You guys can hear the power steering pump whining into the camera or not. I don't even know what you guys can see right now, actually. You guys can probably see like up here and over here. Probably can't see the gauges though, I guess. Here, we'll see if we can't get rid of the backfire once or twice. Working good today. Hopefully you guys can hear it, because this truck makes an awesome sound. It's got a fresh coat of mud on it for in the winter, so if I get salt on it and I have something to wash off real easy, in case I have to drive it one day if the bronco is down. Luckily, I don't think any of my neighbors are home today, so they shouldn't get too mad at me. But anyways, hopefully this video is pretty good and the audio didn't get screwed up or something in it. Just so you know, Mark, it is warmed up good today. It's nice and warm. Oil pressure is down a little bit, so it is warmed up pretty good. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching.